Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today we're going to be making walnut cookies and the recipe will be below this video. Okay, we'll start right now with the eggs. Okay, I will beat the eggs and the sugar with the shortening all together. The shortening. Okay, now I will start adding the flour with the cocoa. Now I'm going to add walnuts. And the baking powder. Just mix until all the flour is gone. These are like 4 cups of flour. And this, I'm gonna be rolling them and dip them in the icing sugar. Here I have cookie sheets, parchment paper. If your hands get sticky, you can use some water. They're all easy. These are a lot of cookies. See? And you just put them there. Yeah, you need to dip your hands a little bit. And if you want, you can use gloves. And these ones, you kind of, go like this and you shake them. See? You can put the walnut on top. It's optional, You can leave some like this, or you can put a piece of walnut on top. Okay, I'll show you. I'm gonna put a walnut. I'm just gonna break it in half. See, they look nice. Lots of rolling to do. I made a lot. Actually, I'm making a lot. Actually, this is a double dose, so you can just do half a dose if you want. I'll finish with the walnuts. See? Look good already. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna continue on my own because I have lots to do. Then I have another pan ready. And I will show them to you when I put them in the oven. Okay, I'm almost done. I got 1 tray, 2 trays, and here I have a smaller tray, which I'm gonna be putting the rest. And the oven is on. I'm not gonna put the topping here. So I did those 2 with the topping, and this is without the walnut on top. Okay, now show them to you when they come out. Okay, the cookies are ready. The other ones are here. The last one. Okay. Beautiful. These are really hot. My kitchen smells amazing. I'm gonna try one. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.